YouTube video. I just want to say to Mark Cruz, just delete the post about Rene Bartebonia. I'm okay with him that he posts about Diecast car, he posts about Toyota Supra. I saw it. He showed me Toyota Supra. He showed me Diecast cars in his first place. But not political, not what is that? Sports. Even Rene Bartebonia and Divine Adili, because they already dead. They died in drowning. Some have claimed they are victim of race. I mean hazing. I remember they died also in drowning. They just do a surfing. Just what I realized, they do surfing. In Aurora, there's lots of surf. Oh, because of the big waves and the bad weather condition. That is a cause of death of Rene Bartebonia and Divine Adili. And it's not the fault anyway. I know Tab Baldwin didn't realize he has a lack of uh, advice to those athletes not to go to 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 the Aurora shore. Some of basketball athletes. I advise to him, to Mark Cruz, delete it. I never post anything in social media. My mom scolded me at the time. What I realized that I comment on a post of Donald Trump when he visited in the Philippines, when he met President Rodrigo Duterte in the time. I know I was get in trouble. Oh, I comment there NPA. Oh, because my dad said to me, he warned me, oh, NPA are communist. Galit daw si Rodrigo Duterte sa mga communist. Oh, and he said to me, and I know I don't want to get in trouble. And of course, I was warned by Tita Marta. Oh, she said to me, don't post anything in Facebook. Oh, about leftists because it's dangerous. Oh, at least Tita Marta understand. Oh, for you, Mark Cruz, don't be such foolish. Anyway, don't be such a foolish. That's why you're creating lots of fools, eh. You're creating foolishness. That you're saying about the death of Rene Bartebonia. I just want to realize to yourself, Mark Cruz, what is your problem about your posting about Rene Bartebonia? What is your real problem about the athlete that is older than RJ Gonzalez? And that was a close friend of the Jerick Silva's girlfriend. About Rene Bartebonia, the basketball athlete who was a part of the Ateneo Blue Eagles. Mark Cruz, if you don't understand what you're saying, listen to your parents. Listen to Christian Mengito. When Christian Mengito is acting like Tita Marta, Balingit, I mentioned, when he said before, do not post anything in Facebook about Rene Bartebonia, the fans of Rene Bartebonia will angry at you. My mom scolded me when I bash Marian Rivera, and the fans of Marian Rivera will criticizing me. That will be happen. You know, Mark Cruz, if we are if we are saying like, I'm just gonna say to you, Mark Domingo Cruz, delete it. And do not mention about my name, about you gonna drown me in Aurora, in the shore, like what happened to Rene Bartibonia and Divine Adili. Eh, it's not really true. All the speculations are very lies, and it's not really true. Because you know, Christian Mengito, he doesn't know about Mika Lim. Because I know, how come Christian Mengito has a girlfriend, Mika Lim? Eh, he's single. He doesn't have a GF. Like me, I'm just saying, oh, if Christian Mengito has a GF at the time, how would you say that he has a GF? I'm asking you, Mark Cruz, where's your evidence that Christian Mengito has a GF with Mika Lim? And it's not really true. It's all of lies. I am telling ya. When Jerick Silva said to me, sinungaling talaga si Mark Cruz. It's all a lie. It's all a lie eh. Me, when I lie myself, I never met Manuel Luis Antonio in Caloocan Evangelical School. Because, you know, I tell a lots of lie. You know, Antonio Sodorio, he was there at the time. That is all the lies. Unlike you, Mark Cruz, don't tell lie. If Mika Lim doesn't know Christian Mengito, he doesn't know her. You even understand, Mark Cruz? Just like, I want to tell you something, hindi mo kasi naintindihan, like, what you are saying about Mika Lim, that she knows Christian Mengito. Look at Christian Mengito. He always go to church and born again Christian. Just like same as Wawel Romero. Same as like, I remember we're born again Christian, no? Tatay Delpin, oh, Kuya Dong. Ate Marisol is a born again Christian. At the time, together with Paulo Siaco. Oh, Christian Mengito always go to church. Unlike you, Mark Cruz, when you talk even bunch of lies, you remember that even lies in everywhere, and he doesn't know about Mika Lim. Oh, that's a lie. I remember the time about that you're saying that you like Momoland, and Jerick Silva is over debating about Momoland, Nancy McDonney, and also the other K-pop girl groups, because the involvement there is Mark Cruz. Oh, Carlo Pabale, he doesn't want to get the K-pop also, because I know the Momoland and Twice, I remember, they no longer exist. And mostly, like Juan Carlo Pabale, when he visited Itbulaga, he met Ann Ferrer, even the Uppercuts and Alan Kay, Jose Manalo, at the first place, he knows them. as well. You know, Mark Cruz, I'm just saying to you, don't spread the lies. You're in the house. You don't even go outside. That means Jerick Silva says to you, nasa bahay ka lang. Oh, you're in the house. Me, I was in outside. I always go to Pampanga. I always go with Ate Hana, Kuya Mel, there was Kuya Jay or Ate Isa. There was Ate Marisol and Yana. We always go to Pampanga. I ate what is it? Buffet. We bring lemon in the road trip, and also mochi as well. We always go to Pampanga for road trip. I don't realize that Ate Hana offer us to go to Pampanga as well. The hometown of Jens Manaid. I remember Jens, my best friend. He always go to Pampanga in San Fernando. With his family members. He was categorized with Christian Mingito. But I was alongside with my family and my relatives. We always go to Pampanga. And also we always go to Pampanga. And then we ate in the Clark about the cafe. We've been there last year after in Baguio. We always been there in the first place. You know, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. Don't spread the lie. It's all over the place. The lies are everywhere. Do not spread the lie. Me, I never spread the lies too. That how did Christian Mingito knows Mika Lim? He doesn't know. He doesn't know her. It's all lies. I say to Mark Cruz, stop spreading lots of rumors over at Rene Bartebonia that you heard drowning me in shore, and it's not really true. And Christian Mingito, he doesn't know Mika Lim. Do not spread the lie. I mean, when I spread the lie, Teacher Vincent, that he knows about Karina, that Miss World 2022, that he doesn't know her, I spread the lie. I don't want to be happen just like Christian Mingito. You know, that's a lie. Because, you know, Christian Mingito, he remains single. I apologize to you, Christian Mingito. You don't know Tanisha Tan, the Miss International Singapore 2025. Because I know, I criticize Mark Cruz that Mika Lim, he doesn't know you. That he knows you. That's what word. He really knows you. That I said, she really knows that she doesn't know you. That's a lie. I mean, I don't want to spread lies too, Even I lie to I remember I lied to to Teacher May Tibur show that I'm a Russian. I'm not a Russian. I'm a Filipino American. I'm a Filipino. Because, you know, I lied. Because me, I was a Filipino American because I know my parents are Filipino. My ninang Anya Suyuki was a Filipino German American. Even Uncle Eugene German American, and even Nanay Ningning Filipino German. That's their own in other side. So messy. Alright, let's continue my vlog. Yeah, that's all over lies. However, I say to you, Mark Domingo Cruz, if I upload this in my YouTube video, oh, if I'm telling you, don't tell lies. You know that. You know what is the lesson to Jesus? Or lesson to... Okay, let's continue my content. You know what that's a lesson to Jesus, I remember? Jesus doesn't like lies. Even Prophet Muhammad and Imam Mahdi, they never want to tell a lie. Oh, you know that, Mark Cruz. All the stories are lies. Hey, you lied to me, Mark Cruz. You want to challenge me in the race in Hot Wheels. Eh, he's really coward. It's all over a lies. He's really a liar. Oh, I'm telling you, liar. How does Christian Mengito knows Mika Lim? That's a lie. Oh, when I was told by Jerick Silva, sino ka? Oh, like Mika Lim says to Christian. He doesn't know her. Oh, that's a lie. You know, for me, when I say a liar, do not make a lie, Mark Cruz. I am telling ya, because you know, if I was MG, if Mark Cruz is Francis Leo Marcos, or FLM, or Norman Mangusin, it's like a debate, which is the truth or lies. You should never lies. At the time, I remember Ayub Tantush, he said to me, if you lie anyway, you go to hell. That's a culture in Islam. Oh, you know, Mark Cruz, with all due respect, I know you are Christian, me, I'm Islam. Can you please stop making lies? Huh? I mean, I never go to church. Oh, in the first place. You always go to church. I saw your Instagram, you always go to church. I mean, I never go to church. Oh, when I was in Malaysia, I went there in mosque. Oh, because you remember the time a mosque. Oh, I went there in mosque. But for Mark Cruz anyway, I'm telling you, I am telling you, if I don't want to tell a bunch of lies, not tell lies. If Christian Mengito doesn't know Mika Lim, and then you're mentioning that name, that she doesn't, that he doesn't know her, do not lies. Do not spread lies. Like me, I remember the time. I remember Shania Kiana, she lied to me that she's a Filipino Chinese. Do you think that she is Filipino Chinese? Oh, that's a lie. Oh, Manuel Luis Antonio doesn't tell a lies. Me, I never want to tell a lots of lies. Mark Cruz, don't tell a lie. Alright, continue my content. Alright. You know that, Mark Cruz, so do not tell a lie. I don't want to tell a lie to Dion about the son of Ate Dayan. I said that, what is your nationality, Dion? Oh, don't say you're not Filipino. Oh. And I say to Ate Dayan that her son, Dion, you're Filipino. Oh, I said in 2024. And I said before, don't change nationality. Who is your true identity? It's supposed to be a nationality. That's supposed to be Filipino. Oh, don't tell about the lies, Mark Cruz. Me, if I say about the lies, the time, if I tell a lie to everyone, do not spread lies over at Christian Mingito. This is my warning to Mark Cruz and Shania Kiana. Do not spread the lies. And it will be a damaging in their reputation. Like for example, I remember Bill Galang when he posted in Facebook. And I told to Teacher May Tiborcio, I said, Bill, why did you post in Facebook married? That's a lie. And then when I talked by Buddy Castro when he commented why Bill Galang posted married to Ate Mara, that was his cousin. That's a lie because his mother, Bill Galang, named Tita Ata, reprimand Bill Galang, uh, uh, wag ka na magpo-post ng marriage sa Facebook. Oh, that's the reason. That's 2018. Because it's a lie. Oh, it is not really true. Oh. But for Marcos anyway, don't tell a lie. You know, I'm just saying before, when I talked with Jerick Silva last night, when we have a interview in TikTok Live, I mean, I've never make YouTube, TikTok Live is just like Zoom meeting. Oh. Because he said to me, Christian Mingito, he doesn't know Mika Lim. Do not tell a lie. That's not really good. Oh. I mean, when I tell a lie at Teacher Kel, she has a boyfriend, Eskel Penumbra, I tell a lot sa lie that she is telling the truth. She has a boyfriend, I accepted it, I do not want to debate. I don't want to make argument. I don't want, because I don't like too much lies. My mom says to me, like for example, all the lies anyway, it's not really true. Oh, if I say to you, Mark Cruz, if you lie to me that you brought me in a car trunk and you calling me the word an asshole word and you throw me in the mountain, the cliff, that is a lie. And you label me as I'm Nazi German. Mark Cruz, if my relative Nanay Ningning had seen this in Instagram and Threads, I say to Tita Ning or Nanay Ningning, Anna Kirschenberg, just block Marky Boom Boom 814 Instagram account, Mark Cruz, because this guy is really bully, and he's telling lots of lies. Not offended me that I'm Nazi German, Mark Cruz. If I'm supporting Palestine, if me and Jerick Silva are pro-Palestine or pro-Iran, we have our own opinion, Mark Cruz. Just respect it. I do realize my sister is debating about traveling. You remember Charis, she goes to Korea. Even my sister always go to Japan. It's just opinion. And even another one, we have our own opinion about about uh, opinion. There are lots of opinion. Me, I respect Kuya Bear that he's really a pro-Israel. Me, I'm a pro-Palestine or pro-Iran. I respect Kuya Bear. Because right now, Mark Cruz, do not debate about you call me Nazi German. If I was an anti-Israel, if I am also pro-Palestine and pro-Iran, do you really think that I'm Nazi German? Do you really think that Nanay Ningning will be offended? That's offended.